Did you know that 70% of projects fail? The good news, most of failures come from just a few key mistakes. Today, I'll show you how to avoid them. Failure number 1. Poor communication. Communication breakdowns are the first reason projects fail. Ever played the game telephone? The message starts as, "Let's meet at 2." But by the end, it's "buy 2 large pizzas." That happens in projects too. One unclear email can waste weeks of time. The fix? Well, communicate, set clear expectations, and always confirm everyone's on the same page. Failure number 2. Scope creep. Scope creep is like ordering a simple coffee and ending up with a caramel macchiato with extra foam, 3 pounds of vanilla, and oat milk. Projects expand the same way. Extra tasks, last-minute changes, new features piling up. The fix? Well, define what's included from the start and create a process for approving changes. Failure 3. Risk management. What if your supplier doesn't deliver? Or your key developer quits? Many project managers don't think about risks until it's too late. Smart project managers anticipate problems early and create backup plans. The fix? List possible risks before starting any project and have a contingency plan. Now you know the top 3 project killers and how to beat them. But what if I told you that even if you are not a project manager, you can still think like one? That's what we are covering in the next video, dropping in 2 weeks. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. See you soon and bye-bye!